This is how I bring up a creek crossing. Pull you in a bunch of brush right here. You gotta get where there's a big tree there, so you got roots on one side. Usually end up with a hole here. You slide that in there, it's about 2 foot deep. But this used to all look like down through there. I had it looking like that there, but I guess it washed out. And all you do is those, you just get you some brush around, and now I got several trees up there I cut. Put it on your low side. Towel it all up. You let water work for you. I'm too poor for culvert, so you know, I'd save some of it, weld it back together, but yeah, you know, need money, so I crush it. But eventually the plan is, where's my co-pilot, to come up through here and clean all this out backhoe. When I'm going to shoot a road up this way. Had a little bit of camber malfunction there, but anyway, I'm going to put a road up through here. I'm going to try to just skip through the creek. There's about 10 cords of maple up there I'm going to cut up. About a quart of beech. There's a maple up there, probably a little bit bigger than that big sycamore down there. There's my buddy. But anyway,